Tonight, a new international report released with a dire global outlook, detailing a rise of millions around the world hungry and malnourished, a harrowing increase from just a few years ago. Now, 1 in 10 humans are suffering from hunger.
There's a stark warning tonight that millions of children in Yemen could be pushed to the brink of starvation, brink of starvation, brink of starvation, brink of starvation.
Go green! Go hydroponics! Hydroponics is the best way to produce crops!
Okay? Who can tell me the plant part?
Again, I'm excited and happy to be here with you. So, anyone happy? Clap their hands. My name is Michael Cortado, and I'm a finance person, accountant by profession. But when I'm not doing accounting, I'm doing gardening. So, who among you has experience in planting a seed? So, what have you planted, mister? Beans. Beans. Good. Good and sprout. So, just over the back. What did you plant before? Lettuce. So good. Did you bring the lettuce that you planted? Did you eat the lettuce that you planted? Did you eat it? That's the one you like lettuce?
Yep.
What did you plant?
I planted a mango in the water, but it died because it was needing soil.
Yeah, okay, so...
But it made some leaves and...
Okay, so he has made a good observation. He planted a, fruit-bearing plant or fruit-bearing tree, but it cannot really be sustained in water because that is that will grow into a big tree. It needs soil in order to grow.
We are not just kids. We are future leaders. In relation to TNG's mission, vision, and values, the school aims to develop leadership skills in each student. Thus, every year, TNG implements the Youth Leadership Program. Our YLP theme for this year is Explorers and Investigators. This program inspires students to inspect and explore, study and investigate about hydroponic farming.
Why hydroponics is our YLP topic? We chose hydroponics because this year we wanted to do something about farming. Also, we want to raise awareness about hydroponics being a sustainable farming method that's not much used in Qatar.
لماذا اخترنا الزراعة المائية؟ تعرف الزراعة المائية بأنها زراعة لنباتات في الماء من خلال استخدام الأنظمة الزراعية المائية المختلفة في زراعة الفواكه مثل الفراولة والخس والجرجير. وغيرها من النباتات المختلفة. تساهم الزراعة المائية في حل مشاكل الماء لأنها لا تستخدم التربة وتعتمد كليا على الماء، وهي تعتبر من أكثر الطرق تقليديا، من أكثر الطرق كفاءة من الطرق التقليدية من حيث السرعة ونظافة البيئة لنمو النباتات وعدم استخدام المبيدات الضارة.
हमने हाइड्रोपोनिक चूज किया क्योंकि हम लोगों को ये समझाएंगे कि हाइड्रोपोनिक एक अच्छी चीज़ है प्लांट करने के लिए और ये एसडीजी नंबर 2 से ये मिलता है, एसडीजी नंबर 12 से भी मिलता है। एसडीजी नंबर 2 में जीरो हंगर, एसडीजी नंबर 12 में responsible production and consumption. हमने ये सब लोगों को बताना है कि हाइड्रोपोनिक एक अच्छी चीज़ होता है और इससे हम और भी सब्जियाँ और फल भी ले सकते हैं।
Its impact to Sustainable Development Goal 2, Zero Hunger, and Sustainable Development Goals 12, Responsible Production and Consumption.
ما علاقة الزراعة المائية بالجوع؟ تعد الزراعة المائية مصدراً يسهل الحصول عليه وميسور التكاليف، وتساعد الزراعة المائية في الأمن الغذائي لكثير من سكان العالم، فهي تحارب الجوع وتوفر كميات أكبر من الغذاء، على عكس الزراعة التقليدية فهي تحتاج وقت أكثر.
As we dig deeper with our topic, it enables us to be responsible, innovative, confident, engaged, and reflective.
And I'm going to ask a few questions about plants. Now I'll ask my first question. What method do you usually use in your plantation?
Okay, we use all organic products. We use the waste, vegetable, fruit, and all other waste from the kitchen. We make a compost and then we use it to the soil.
Okay. What soil do you use?
Normal or potting soil, local soil. So that's what we use.
What is your favorite plant that you have planted?
So all these are my dad's effort, and I think our favorite would be the water lily because of the efforts we took to bring it back from India to here and the effort it takes to maintain it. So water lily is something special because here in our climate in Qatar, it's not easy to grow something like that.
Where did you start your garden anyways in the first place?
So we started off planting with tomatoes and tulsi because it was nice to get the fruits out of it. But later we started expanding because we love greenery, of course, but apart from that, plants are necessary for our survival, and we want to inspire others as well to keep doing this. And it's easy. It's not a huge task to maintain this. So if everyone did this in their own homes, Qatar would be a much greener place and better place.
Thank you for taking for me to take your time to interview for a few questions. I would really like to meet you someday and ask you a few more questions. But have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. So first of all, our topic for the YLP is hydroponics, and we just wanted to
Okay. Thank you so much. And then, would you like to tell me something about it?
these are lettuce.
Can you say it a little bit loud?
This is lettuce we use in the hydroponics.
What is the difference between usual farming and the hydroponics?
The hydroponics, there is very less soil and there is 90% nutrient-rich water, and also this is very reliable, and it also makes us go away.
Oh, that's really nice and really good to know. Can you let me know what benefit other people can take it from this sort of farming, or who can utilize that strategy?
These farmings are easy to make, and you can make it at home.
Excellent. Because if I am not having a place where I can farm something or harvest something, so I think this sort of a style would be very suitable for me, and it's space efficient as well and resource efficient as well. And this is all the way from the garden of 5B. Yes. I'm so thankful to Miss Elma and Miss Andrea as the mentors of the students, and then from your 5B students as well. And what else I can desire for when I'm having something natural all the way right in front of me. Thank you so much.
Our YLP topic for year 5B is hydroponic farming. And today we want to share our harvest with you.
Thank you very much. It's so fresh.
This is lettuce. We grow this in hydroponics. Hydroponics is a quick and reliable way to grow plants. It is a very fast, and it's also reducing 80% of the pests. And it also uses a lot of water, but also very less soil. And as it also relates to the SDG goals 2 and 12. So for number 2, zero hunger. As this is really a very reliable, quick way, so we're telling the people that they can plant faster, give the food to charity.
Yeah, it's a very good idea.
This also has no pesticides and it's good energy. You can really make your own.
So, do you put anything inside the water or no?
Yes, we put a nutrient solution.
Is it easily available?
Yes, you can buy it in any farm.